Is your 2023 Toyota Corolla's infotainment system stuck in a restart loop? You're not alone. This widespread issue has affected many owners, causing significant frustration and loss of essential vehicle functions. The problem manifests in several frustrating ways. The system continuously restarts in an endless loop, freezes on the Toyota logo, or becomes completely unresponsive. This leads to the loss of critical vehicle functions, including audio playback, GPS navigation, and smartphone connectivity features that modern drivers rely on daily. Toyota has officially acknowledged this problem and released technical service bulletins to address the issue. The company recognizes that this affects the Toyota Audio Multimedia System, commonly known as TAM. The root causes of this issue are varied and complex. Software corruption from incomplete firmware updates is a primary culprit, often occurring when updates are interrupted or fail to install properly. Other significant causes include insufficient system memory, leading to crashes, faulty infotainment control modules, power supply irregularities, and temperature-related instability that can cause the system to malfunction. This issue affects both display variants of the 2023 Corolla's infotainment system, the standard 8-inch display, and the larger 10.5-inch premium display. Understanding these root causes is essential for determining the appropriate solution. Recognizing these symptoms and understanding the underlying causes puts you in a better position to address the problem effectively. In the next section, we'll explore the specific troubleshooting steps and solutions available to resolve this frustrating issue. When your Toyota Corolla's infotainment system gets stuck in a boot loop, there are several proven methods to resolve this frustrating issue. Let's start with immediate troubleshooting steps you can try yourself. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button on your infotainment system for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces the system to restart and often resolves temporary software glitches. If the soft reset doesn't work, try disconnecting the battery's negative terminal for 15 minutes. This completely resets the vehicle's electrical systems and clears any corrupted memory. Third, check the multimedia system fuses. A blown fuse can cause the infotainment system to malfunction. Locate your fuse box and inspect the fuses related to the audio and multimedia systems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, professional solutions may be required. These include software updates, factory resets, and in severe cases, hardware replacement. Ensure your system has the latest firmware version 4.2.1, released in Q2 2024. This update addresses memory leak issues and significantly improves system stability. A factory reset can also resolve persistent issues. Access this through Settings, then General, then Reset. However, remember that this will erase all your personal data and settings. In severe cases, complete head unit replacement may be necessary. This typically involves installing updated hardware and is usually covered under warranty. Toyota has been highly proactive in addressing this issue. Software updates successfully resolve 85% of cases, while hardware replacement has a 98% success rate when needed. If you're experiencing infotainment boot loop issues with your 2023 Toyota Corolla, contact your dealer immediately. Most cases can be resolved under warranty with these proven solutions.